recently purchased a shed, and when we did, one of the problems we encountered was our foundation was higher off the ground than what we anticipated. Decided that needed to be covered with something, and we settled on GenStone. This particular pattern is called Desert Sunrise, and it seemed to match our paint scheme very well. It was very easy to install, and if you follow the instructions they give you, it will work very well. The final product is something that has really pleased us a lot. We're really happy with it, and we think you will enjoy it if you give it a chance. The product turns out to look very good. Several people have said they couldn't tell the difference between that and real stone, and so give it a shot. It's easy to install.